Hello and welcome to new video. In today's video I present you a vitamin bomb for a healthy heart and strong immunity. The paste of the Russian academician Amos is a real vitamin mineral bomb. This mixture is a real storehouse of vitamins and microelements. He recommended this healthy mixture to post-operative patients for quick recovery of the organism. It is also extremely useful for healthy people. The paste compensates for the vitamin deficiency, especially in the winter, fly and cold season. This mixture is extremely good for strengthening the cardiovascular system and for strengthening immunity. Ingredients: 50 grams of raisins, dried apricots, dried figs, walnuts or almonds, honey, and half a lemon with peel. Preparation: grind all the ingredients on a meat grinder or finely chop, add honey, stir and transfer to jars. Store in the refrigerator. Take 1 tablespoon twice a day, in the morning on an empty stomach and in the evening before bedtime, with a cup of warm water or milk. For children not younger than 3 to 4 years, 1 teaspoon in the same way. Before preparing this mixture, most fruits are treated with certain chemicals before drying due to their longevity. Be sure to wash them well before eating. As a rule, dried fruit should be soaked in a bowl with boiled and cooled water overnight. In the morning, pour the water and wash the fruit again under a strong stream of water and leave it to dry. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.